Hey, John Smart with the Northwest Cape Coral Neighborhood Association, and out here at the luxury RV park at Tranquility Lake. You can see they're really making progress. The gatehouse and office. You can see the pads going in. This project has been on the books, back probably 2015. And different incarnations, different companies, but in 2020, MHC out of Chicago bought this property for about $11 million. MHC is a big corporation. They own a lot of mobile home parks, RV parks, and campsites. They own a ton of them in Florida. They own quite a few in Lee, Collier, Charlotte counties. So they came up with a plan to change. It was a luxury RV park for RVs that cost $300,000 and up. That plan just didn't work out, and so they came in and they revised the plan for an RV park. They're doubling the size of the number of lots, going from around 240, something like that, to 502 lots. Now, two phases. Phase 1, 144 lots. That's what's going on now. Phase 2 is the rest of the park, which will go down to, from Durden all the way down to the fire station 7 on Bird Store Road, just down here. You can see the clubhouse down there. You're going to have the lake. They're going to have boating, fishing. We're going to have pickleball courts, tennis courts, a dog park, everything that a resort would have for their customers. So, good thing for Cape Coral, good for businesses. It will bring development to this area as far as retail. People like to shop, eat at restaurants, be entertained when they're on vacation. And we're going to have a lot of people on vacation right here at the corner of Durden and Bird Store. Here we grow, North Cape. Here we grow.